I'm Samantha Sanavaratna. I'm a cookbook author and food stylist, and for me, baking is all about sharing with friends. These sweet potato cinnamon buns are meant for sharing. The good thing about baking, and I say this all the time, is that dessert is just for fun, and it's just for sharing pleasure and joy. If you believe that every time you make a mistake, it's the end of the world, you're going to be suffering. I make mistakes all the time. I drop things, I break things. It's just part of the messiness and the joy of life, you know? I couldn't think of a better thing to do with my time than play with sugar and butter and then give it to people I love. I have excellent friends. Like everybody, I've gone through a lot of hard things, especially in the last 15 years, and my friends have really been supportive and loving. And even when I have not always been the best friend, they give it back tenfold. When I was in the hospital having Artie, my friends broke into my apartment and cleaned it and put flowers everywhere and filled my fridge and filled my cupboards so that I would come home with Artie and have this house that was just perfect. It was really special. I mean, if that's not pure friendship and love, I don't know what is. Everything that goes into your life that's good and bad, there's tons of bad, all of that comes together to make a rich life worth living. If you have a cake, you can find somebody to love. You know, you can find somebody who needs some love. It's just the best thing ever. I mean, what's better than cake and friends? It's just pure magic.